Welcome to Miamisburg, March 1st, 2026. Yesterday in the 60s, today below freezing. But it's a Sunday, and it's one of the good days to come out and check out the pool progress. We've not been out here in a long time, but you will notice there will be a whole lot of different things that has accomplished, or that they've accomplished. My goal is to take pictures. I can zoom in a lot better. Take some pictures and include them at the end so that you can get closer looks at the different sections of all the different pools and different stuff they're building. And you can see from here, I mean, right there, the big giant structure, which is obvious from the road for the new slide structures coming. That little building down there survived. The building over there survived. And those two buildings, well, the core of them survived with new additions added on every side. Anyways, you can see all the work and construction. And like I said, they're busy most of the time, so this is a good day to check them out. So be sure to stick around for the slideshow at the end to check out some of the detailed pictures. So it looks to me like they're digging out the area down this direction and maybe out to the fence line. Maybe it's going to be expanded that far for people to sit or whatever. I would imagine so. And no, they got a big retaining wall down in there, so I don't think they're going to take this part of the fence any further. And I'm not sure about down there because, well, there's a lot of gravel and a lot of stuff there, but they still got a lot of work. So we're March 1st. I know they want to open this season, but I don't know. I know things can get done quickly, but I'm not sure. Everything's going to depend on the weather and what they have their contractors for and, you know, how they got the payment schedule and all that and completion dates. We'll find out. Anyways, I know they have a new sign way down at the other end, and I'm not walking to that. I still find it funny how they had that one little replacement water park over there that you can see before they even started deconstructing everything. And you can see they're connecting the little road that goes up towards the back of the new park area up here, which we've already covered. People were using it intensely yesterday because it was in the 60s. Today, not so much. Like I said, below freezing. Tomorrow it starts warming up, but I think it's supposed to be continual rain the whole time. And, well, we have an overview, and they have dug down completely and redone and done a lot of work, as you can see. Thanks, everyone, for watching the March 2026 Miamisburg Pool Update. I've got more videos coming soon, so stay tuned for what's next. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. And don't forget to like, comment, and hype this video to help others find it. Every bit of support helps the channel grow and keeps these stories coming. I post videos from events, music, and things to do all around Miamisburg and beyond, so come back anytime to see what's new. I'm Miamisburg J, sharing real people, real places, and real stories. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.